Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the basics quickly. Check iOS updates and internet connectivity so syncing works. Then open the Calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom to reveal all accounts. You must enable the specific calendars you want visible. Toggling them on connects events from iCloud, Gmail, or Exchange. Once done, swipe or tap to refresh the view so events appear. This step prevents missing entries and ensures changes you make later propagate across devices. Now you'll create or edit entries. Tap the plus button, enter a title, choose date and time, and assign the correct calendar to keep work and personal separate. If editing, open an event, tap Edit, and change the calendar field to move it between accounts. This updates the source. Use Repeat to set recurring schedules, travel time for commute planning, and invitees to share instantly. Make sure alerts are set so you receive reminders. These options control how and when the calendar notifies you. Finish by syncing and verifying. Pull down in calendars to force a refresh and confirm events show across devices. To share a calendar, tap the info icon next to it and add people. Exporting requires account settings. If something fails, make sure calendars are enabled in Settings Accounts account and in Settings Calendar. As a troubleshooting tip, sign out of the problematic account and sign back in, or toggle calendars off and on to re-establish sync. That usually resolves missing or duplicate events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.